adventurers! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the world of off-roading and overlanding vehicles. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting trucks on the horizon, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. This isn't just another pickup, it's a factory-built beast designed for those who live for long-distance adventures. So buckle up, because this thing is packed with features that'll make your next expedition unforgettable. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is part of the all-new 4th-generation Tacoma lineup, which debuted in 2024. While there aren't any major changes expected for 2026, what makes the Trailhunter stand out is its mission. It's built to go far. Think of it as the ultimate overlander, a counterpart to the TRD Pro, which is more about going fast. If you're someone who loves exploring remote destinations rather than chasing lap times, the Trailhunter is tailor-made for you. At the heart of the Trailhunter is Toyota's impressive iForce Max 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain. Don't let the word hybrid fool you. This setup delivers serious muscle, cranking out 326 horsepower and a whopping 465 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a robust 4-wheel drive system, the Trailhunter has everything you need to tackle tough terrain. That kind of grunt ensures you won't run out of steam when you're miles away from civilization or pavement. One of the coolest things about the Trailhunter? It comes loaded with top-tier aftermarket gear straight from the factory. Toyota partnered with ARB, a legendary name in off-roading, to equip the Trailhunter with some seriously capable hardware. You've got the Old Man Emu 4x4 suspension featuring forged monotube shocks, giving you superior articulation and control. There's also a high-mount air intake, or snorkel, so water crossings are no sweat. And check out these rock rails. They'll keep your bodywork safe if you scrape against boulders. And don't forget the integrated air compressor in the bed. It's perfect for airing down your tires before hitting soft sand, or airing them back up after you're done. To handle whatever Mother Nature throws at you, the Trailhunter rides on 18-inch bronze-colored alloy wheels wrapped in aggressive 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. Combined with the lifted suspension, you get excellent ground clearance without sacrificing ride quality. With numbers like this, you can confidently crawl over obstacles without worrying about scraping your undercarriage. Now, let's talk looks. The Trailhunter doesn't just perform, it turns heads too. That bronze-colored Toyota heritage-inspired grille pays homage to classic Tacomas, while the integrated 20-inch LED light bar ensures you'll never be left in the dark. And how cool are these rigid LED fog lamps? They switch between white and yellow lighting, depending on whether you need maximum visibility or reduced glare during foggy conditions. Inside, the Trailhunter feels every bit as modern as it does rugged. You've got a massive 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, perfect for navigating uncharted territory. Plus, there's a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that keeps you informed about engine vitals and off-road metrics. These overlanding-focused features ensure you stay connected, even when you're miles off the grid. Only comes in a short bed configuration, the Trailhunter offers both short bed and long bed options. Whether you need extra cargo space for gear or prefer a shorter wheelbase for tighter trails, Toyota's got you covered. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. It's not just a truck, it's a purpose-built adventure machine designed to take you farther than ever before. With its powerful hybrid powertrain, premium ARB equipment, and thoughtful design, the Trailhunter proves that Toyota knows exactly what overlanders want. If you're ready to explore the road less traveled, or no road at all, the 2026 Tacoma Trailhunter might just be your new best friend. Let me know in the comments below, would you choose the Trailhunter or the TRD Pro? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Until next time, happy trails!